Hi there, my name is Mimi, and in today's screencast, we're going to be looking at what a bank reconciliation is and how you can create your own. You might be asking, why would I ever need to reconcile my bank records? Well, the answer is simple. It's so that you're able to confirm the accuracy of the bank and your own business's records, and so that you're able to determine the actual cash balance that should be reported on your business's balance sheet. Bank reconciliation is the process of identifying and then adjusting the differences between the cash balance on a bank statement and the cash balance on your business's records. A deposit in transit are deposits that are yet to clear the bank statement as of the statement date. Outstanding checks are checks that appear on the company's records but not yet cleared the bank. A credit memorandum is the cash that a bank collects on behalf of the company, and a debit memorandum is the cash a business no longer had. Those on the left are added and on the right subtracted. So let's get started. Step 1. Reconciling the bank balance. This is done to adjust the cash balance reported in the bank statement to the business's actual cash balance. Don't worry if your numbers sometimes differ. This is why we're adjusting our statements. Firstly, we're going to start with our balance per bank statement, and then we're going to add the deposits in transit and deduct the outstanding checks. Oh, and also be cautious of errors made by the bank. They are rare, but sometimes do occur. If there is an error, however, you can either add or subtract, depending on the type of the error. This gives us the actual cash balance, so don't worry if the number is different to the balance on your company record. That's the next step. Step 2 is reconciling balance per company record. We do this to adjust the balance per company records to reflect and equal the actual cash balance. We reconcile our company records balance by first adding all credit memoranda like business receivables or interest acquired on a note, and then we deduct the debit memorandas like fees charged to banking services. Again, don't forget about the errors. These can be either added or deducted. However, in this example, we have deducted. After reconciling the book balance, this should now equal the cash balance. The final step is to adjust the cash balance in our accounts. This is done by journalizing any changes made to the book balance, or in other words, any changes made in step 2, so that the company's records match the actual cash balance. Remember, any increase in cash is debited and any decrease is credited. And since we're working with cash, all of our journal entries should include cash. Good job, everyone! You now successfully know how to complete a bank reconciliation. So let's remember, first you fix the bank records, next you fix the company's records, and finally we adjust the journal entries to account for these changes.